On December 19, 2025, a profound chapter in automotive history closed at the Solihull factory in the UK. The final internal combustion engine Jaguar, a black F-Pace SVR powered by a 5-liter supercharged V8, rolled off assembly line. The choice of black was a deliberate tribute to the final E-Type that marked a similar shift a decade ago. The vehicle wasn't distinct for a showroom. It was handed over to the Jaguar Daimler Heritage Trust to be displayed alongside the very first ICE Jaguar and the final XE. So, why did the Jaguar decide to kill its combustion lineup now? It actually comes down to a very cold, hard reality: the financial numbers. JLR CEO Reimagine admitted with disarming frankness that the previous lineup, including the XE, X5, and the E-Pace, simply wasn't making any money. For years, Jaguar tried to toe-to-toe with German giants like BMW and Mercedes, but they never hit the 600,000 annual sales needed to be perfectible. In 2023, worldwide sales were just over 64,000 units. That's why the Reimagine strategy is a complete reset. Jaguar is moving away from the mass market premium field to become an all-electric luxury brand, targeting a much more exclusive, hyper-fast niche with sales capped at around 50,000 units. Jaguar is currently in a state of suspected animation, taking a cat snap that is incredibly rare in this industry. They've effectively pulled back from the market to recode what the brand stands for. Looking at the global market, new vehicle sales in Europe and the UK are whopping up by early 2025. In the United States, dealers will have to survive through 2025, relying entirely on leftover inventory from 2024 and earlier. Even though gas-powered Jaguars have stopped production, it doesn't mean they've vanished from showrooms just yet. Currently, no Jaguar vehicles are being built anymore in the world, but while the F-Pace was the brand's best sellers with over 300,000 units sold since 2016. Existing inventory is expected to last into 2026, so you can just grab one if you act fast. Now, heading into 2026, EVs continue to eat into the market share internal combustion cars. This has become an unavailable reality, even if it's hard to accept, especially for those of us who love the roll of an engine and the classic mechanism soul. Nowadays, every brand, especially the legacy ones, has to figure out how to build EVs with smarter AI, more powerful motors, and longer range. That's exactly where the Jaguar Type 00 comes in. This all-electric GT, internally coded as X900, is a spiritual successor to the classic and will be the most powerful road car in Jaguar's history. Speaking of which, what about this new electric Jaguar? When you first seen it, you might think it looks like something straight out of a cartoon. It's massive, over 5.4 meters long, with 23-inch alloy wheels, brushless surfaces, and an impossibly long hood. Another bold feature is no rear window, challenging all conventions. The car uses a rear-facing camera that fitted a digital screen, a clear nod to the dashboard mirror of the classic XK120. Since it's an EV, does it have a powerful motor like the Xiaomi SU7? Yes, the Type 00 features a tri-motor setup, pushing out roughly 1000 horsepower, and offers a smooth elastic power delivery that feels like a V12. its top speed limited to 250 km/h. Beyond pure speed, range is a big question for buyers. Early reports suggest an EPA-rated range of up to 430 miles, with the ability to charge 200 miles in just 15 minutes. Jaguar is no longer chasing Mercedes, they are aiming for Bentley. The starting price for this new era is expected to be between $120,000 and $130,000, nearly double the price of the old lineup. This transition is full of tension, with conflicting rumors about the departure of a long-time design chief, Reimagine. The man behind this radical rebranding. Production is set to begin in early 2027. Jaguar has burned its bridges. They are building everything that a younger, wealthier audience will embrace, a car that desires not to be loved by everyone. It's a copy of a nothing strategy. If it works, Jaguar secured its future in the ultra-electric tier. If it fails, one of Britain's most iconic brands could vanish forever. I believe everyone doesn't want to see it.